I grew up in the Niger Delta in Nigeria as a member of the indigenous farming and fishing community of Yata. For decades, our families lived in constant contact with the waterways. Unfortunately, things have changed. Since the start of fossil fuel extraction operations by Shell and the NNPC, Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation, the water that we have long depended on is now overly contaminated. The women from our community decided to take the matter into our own hands. We trained 250 women and girls in mangrove restoration and biodiversity management. Mangrove forests are a crucial and diverse ecosystem. Their conservation is critical to tackle the climate crisis. We will plead our governments, our banks, our companies to listen. Efforts and resources must be directed towards the true gender-just climate solutions that us, the women and girls, are implementing in the Niger Delta.